This is crazy. Just look around real quick. There's no land anywhere. We're just driving, we're in the middle of the lake. This bridge has been in the Guinness Book of World Records since 1969. It was the longest bridge in the world. And then 2011, China built one that's a little longer, but so now it's second in the world, still the longest in the United States. It's just crazy. Like, I feel like we're in a boat.
Yeah, they usually say, do this, do that, grow up, be nice and behave.
Woo! Made it off the bridge. Woo!
Woohoo! Sorry, babe, I'm trying to figure out where we are. I don't know where to go. We made it. We are at the Fontainebleau. I don't even know if that's how you say it. I'm not French, but we're at some park. It's beautiful. There's a beach. It's a little bit colder than I'd like it to be, but that's the bridge we were on. If you look over here. There's a beach over here. It's beautiful. Definitely doesn't feel like New Orleans. It's crazy.
Hey, where we at?
Bigger than my head. Why are you gonna ask me that? Nan's Cafe in Mandeville, I think. Look at this sandwich. It's crazy. Alright. It's good. It's a little bit messy. So we are riding in this crazy little bike thing. We can't go very fast. Full speed. We're wandering around City Park here in New Orleans. Look, we got a crazy setup. We got 2 sets of pedals. I can't do anything with this though. I just spin it around. It doesn't do anything.
He keeps trying to steer.
I want to steer so bad, but I'm holding the camera, so I can't. I just sit here and just pretend. But it's a lot of fun. The sun finally came out, so we wanted to take advantage of that and check it out. We're trying not to get hit by cars. Stay on the right side. Here they come. I think we're in the middle of the road. We're hanging out here on the balcony in New Orleans on Bourbon Street. It's pretty awesome. I like this view better. You don't actually have to interact with anyone. You just sit up here and look at everything.